graph of a cosecant function. In this module, you will learn to find the graph of cosecant function from the graph of a sine function. The cosecant function is the reciprocal of the sine function. The graph of a cosecant function can be obtained by studying the graph of its sine function. If you carefully observe the graph shown here, you can see that for every integral multiple of pi, sine theta is equal to 0. Thus, the graph of the reciprocal function cosecant theta is a vertical line called the asymptote for any integral multiple of pi. This is because the asymptotes occur whenever the function becomes undefined. Now, for every odd integral multiple of pi by 2, sine theta is equal to 1 or minus 1. This indicates that the value of cosecant theta is either 1 or minus 1 for every odd integral multiple of pi by 2. Since cosecant theta is the reciprocal function of sine theta, the value of cosecant theta is large for small values of sine theta and vice versa. Now, if you look at the interval, say 0 to pi by 2, the value of sine theta increases from 0 to 1, indicating that the reciprocal function cosecant theta decreases from infinity to 1 in the same interval. Further, for an interval pi by 2 to pi, the value of sine theta decreases from 1 to 0. This indicates that cosecant theta, the reciprocal function, increases from 1 to positive infinity in the same interval of pi by 2 to pi. Now, for an interval of pi to 3 pi by 2, the value of sine theta decreases from 0 to negative 1. This indicates that the value of cosecant function increases from negative infinity to negative 1 in the interval pi to 3 pi by 2. Similarly, for an interval of 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, the value of sine theta increases from minus 1 to 0, indicating that the value of cosecant theta decreases from minus 1 to negative infinity. Since the sine function repeats itself with a period of 2 pi, cosecant function also repeats its value after a period of 2 pi. The graph extends infinitely in both the directions, repeating its pattern infinite number of times. Thus, the graph of function cosecant theta indicates that the domain of cosecant function is the set of all real numbers except integral multiples of pi, and its range is the set of real numbers greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to minus 1. In this module, you have learnt to construct the graph of cosecant function from the graph of sine function. Domain of cosecant function is the set of all real numbers except integral multiples of pi, and its range is the set of real numbers greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to -1